Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing my newest wishlist plant, Alocasia Frydek Variegated. The plant was shipped from Florida using a 2-day FedEx service. So why unboxing video is important? First off, it is a hot summer day, and I would like to see if this plant survived the heat. So the seller used foam to keep the plants from moving inside the box, and it is wrapped with a brown paper bag. I care about my plants, and I also appreciate the plant packaging from the seller. So the pot was taped securely on the paper bag, and there is also a bubble plastic wrap to keep the pots from moving. Alocasia Frydek is a very delicate plant. As you can see, the stems looks pretty fragile. So let's inspect. The leaves look stunning. Look at how beautiful is the white, green, and light green variegation on every single leaf. Overall, I'm very satisfied with my purchase because there is no damage whatsoever on these plants, although it was shipped far from Florida. One thing that I realized, the reason why this plant was not damaged, the seller used a small tiny velcro to hold the stems together. I hope you enjoy this plant unboxing video. Please like and subscribe to my channel to see more plant unboxing videos, plant DIY projects, and greenhouse tour. See you soon!